when Taliban closed the girls' school in Afghanistan. While our cousins and our brothers sit in classrooms, me and millions of Afghan girls were forced to put our dreams on hold. Today, girls' secondary schools remain closed. Without education, my cousins, my friends, and millions of Afghan girls fear an uncertain future and feel abandoned. The Taliban is slowly erasing our existence in the society. Thousands of girls may never return back to school. Many have already been married off. The promises of reopening the schools came and gone. Today, Afghanistan is the only country in the world that forbids girls from attending to schools. This week, you are all here to propose solutions to transform education to all. But you must not forget those who left behind, those who are not lucky enough to be at school at all. Show your solidarity with me and millions of Afghan girls. You must work together to demand the reopening of the girls' schools and also protection of our rights. Fund to our education system in Afghanistan. Critical resources are needed as we should make sure that all children access to education, even as crisis continues. If you think that Afghan girls deserve the right of their education, so do not let me and my sisters in Afghanistan to become the victim of the global politics. Do not let our country to become the cemetery of our goals and dreams. Thank you.